A very warm welcome from wherever you're watching us from. God has given us another day and we do not take it for granted, but we do use it well. And that is why today, Kazuri Media, we are coming to you with an amazing story that I cannot actually fathom to all what this lady could be going through or this family could be going through. Today we're going to be having a story of a 33-year-old lady, and it's a family actually, a mother and a father, who were blessed with twins, boys, actually 8 years old as at this month. Yes, so guys, and whatever happened to this family is so sad. It is very sad, and it does need urgent attention so that they can be able to get closure and as well as bury their baby in a decent way. Yes. And before we go into this story, I just want to say a very big thank you to all our subscribers who have walked with us this journey all through. A very big thank you. And if you have not subscribed, then this is the time to do so. Kindly just press the subscribe button and that bell so that you can always get our videos immediately when we do upload them. And also you can become a member of Kazuri Media by joining, which means you become a loyal member and you get a loyalty badge for that. All you have to do is press that join button that is on the screen and you will get all the instructions that you need to have to be able to join and become a member of Kazuri Media. Yes. And so this story is coming from a place in Kenya called Adiedo. It happened in a place in Kenya called Adiedo, Homa Bay County. Yes, and this is a story of a lady called Caroline Akinyi. Caroline Akinyi is a mother, a daughter, and a wife. Caroline Akinyi was a mother of twins who, as it now, she only has one son. We were going to know where the other baby is and what happened to this baby, and also why do they have the feeling that they need to speak to the world so that the world can hear their story and probably help them where it is possible, si ndio? So tunasema kwamba stori ya leo ni kuhusiana na mama mmoja, mwanamke mdogo tu mwenye miaka 33 na mume wake ambaye alikuwa amejaliwa kupata watoto wa kiume mapacha, ila sasa hivi ana mtoto mmoja tu wa kiume. Tunaenda kujua ni nini kilimkuta mtoto wake wa kiume na kwa nini sasa hivi amekuja kwenye media au anapaza sauti na angependa kwamba ulimwengu mzima umsikie na wanaoweza kumsaidia waweze kumsaidia. Ndio. Sasa story ni hivi kwamba hawa watoto walikuwa wametoka shule, wanasoma shule, wametoka shule, yupo pembeni mwa barabara, wapo tayari kuvuka barabara. Ndo likaja gari aina ya Probox, wanavyosema watoto, aina ya Probox nyeupe na kumgonga yule mtoto. Gari likamgonga yule mtoto pacha mmoja, na yule pacha mmoja aliyegongwa na gari ikabidi akapelekwa hospitali ili kupata matibabu. Alipelekwa hospitali na walimu. Yes, so a white Probox came and veered off the road and hit one of the boys, the twins, and the baby was taken to the hospital by the teachers, and the mother informed. The mother is the one giving the story. The mother is this Caroline Akinyi. Yes. So when the mother was informed that there was an accident, she went to Homa Bay Hospital, and when she arrived there, she found that true, yes, the baby had been hit by a car. What makes this story more sad is that this lady is a PWD. She is a person with disability, and the husband is not working too, so they're really, really humble, very, very humble people from a very, very humble background. Yes. So when they arrived at the hospital, when she arrived at the hospital, she found that the baby was in a very critical state, and the doctors say that they needed to do an ultrasound on the baby. And but then they said again that they cannot do the ultrasound because the baby is in a very, very critical condition. So this lady, Caroline, was left wondering what to do with all the pain that she had. She couldn't tell what's going to happen to her baby, and she didn't even know what happened before to her baby. So the teachers were also there from the school, and when one of the doctors just came and said, has any one of you seen the baby? And they were like, yes. And the mother was called, and when she went in, she was told that the baby is no more. Yes, and that is how she lost one of her twins. After that, what happens next is even mind-blowing. What happens is her in-law, who stays in Nairobi. Remember, guys, this incident happened in Homa Bay County, Adiedo. But then, this is an in-law who stays in Nairobi. Baada ya mtoto kufariki, kuna shemeji yake mmoja ambaye anakaa Nairobi. Aliweza kufika mahali pale. Na kufika mahali pale akafanyaje? Alifika pale na akawa amekuja na nia ya kwenda kumzika yule mtoto bila kuwashirikisha wazazi wake. The in-law had the intention of going to bury this little boy, this angel, without informing the parents. Remember, guys, this accident took place on a Friday. Ajali ilitokea Ijumaa. Ilipofika Jumapili, kashakuja shemeji, kashaenda kwenye mochwari, kashapitia polisi, kashanunua sanduku jeneza, kashafanya kila kitu. Yani yupo tayari kumchukua yule mtoto kwenda kumzika, lakini hajawashirikisha wazazi wake, hajashirikisha jamii au familia. Je, linakuingia kichwani? Does it make sense? What happens is this in-law who came from Nairobi, remember the guys, the accident was on a Friday. So by Sunday, there's an in-law who comes in from Nairobi and already goes to the morgue without even visiting the parents of this child. Yes, they go to the morgue and prepare everything, make arrangements on how to go and bury this baby. They also went to the police station because there is no way you're going to take a baby from the morgue without burial permit and the required documents, right? So how did this in-law from Nairobi between Friday and Sunday be able to get to Adiedo, be able to go to the police station, and be able to convince the mortuary people that he can bury this baby? What the mortuary people are saying is that this person came and they said he is the father to the baby. He is the father to the deceased kid, and also say that the mother to this baby is a person with disability, is a person, yani alisema vibaya mno. Yani alisema kwamba mama yake huyu na mama yake na huyu mtoto ni kilema, ni kiwete, hajiwezi, na wakampa baba yule mtoto ambaye si baba yake wa kikweli. Wale watu wa mochwari waliwezaje kuwaamini hawa watu hivi? Kati huyu dada Caroline Akinyi alimbeba mtoto wake mwenyewe kumpeleka mochwari. Ina maana kwamba wale wanaofanya kazi pale kwenye mochwari walikuwa washamuonaga. So how was this in-law able to convince the police, able to convince the morgue attendants that he is the person who should go and bury this baby? And why did he not inform the parents that I am willing to help you go and bury your baby? This is a mourning family. This is a very young family which is mourning the death of their son. Remember, this is a twin, so he has a twin brother. Do they even think of what's going on in the mind of the other baby? Because the other baby is also in he's in a limbo, I would say. He doesn't know where his twin brother is, although he does probably know that something happened at school, but he does ask for his brother. Anamuulizia kaka yake yuko wapi. Huyu pacha anamuulizia pacha mwenzake. Hayupo vizuri kiakili. Kwa hivyo, ikiwa huyu shemeji alitaka kuwasaidia hawa jamaa yake kwa kweli, kwa roho safi, kweli ilibidi au ingetakiwa aende akawafariji kwanza, awape pole zake kwa kupoteza mtoto wao, alafu akae nao chini wafanye mipango na mikakati. Hivyo ndio inatokea. Lakini kwenda kusema kwamba huyu mama ni kilema, hawana hela, hawajiezi, wanaambia watu kwenye mtaa pale kwamba haya sisi tumetaka kuwasaidia na hawataki. Haya tumewaacha. Hivi ninavyozungumza na nyinyi, hii familia ya Caroline Akinyi hawana chochote. Huyu mtoto hajafanyiwa hata postmortem. Manake yule shemeji alisema haina haja ya postmortem. Hii familia haijiwezi, hawana hela, hawataweza kupata hela ya postmortem. They cannot raise money for the postmortem. So that is why this in-law wanted to bury this angel just like that. So and that is why Caroline Akinyi and her husband are here today asking for your help, asking for your assistance in any possible way. But majorly what they really do want is justice for their little angel, justice for their son, and justice for the remaining twin brother, and closure, so that they can be able to tell him when he is grown what happened to his twin brother. And how can we help Caroline Akinyi? Yes, we do know that Caroline Akinyi right now needs financial assistance, but also at the same time she needs to follow the legal process or the right process of getting burying this little angel. This little angel needs to have postmortem done on his body to be able to establish what actually killed this baby. And another thing also, we need to be able to trace this car that hit this baby and just took off. And also we need to know why this in-law was in Homa Bay between Friday and Sunday and was able to get documents to go and bury this little boy without involving the parents in any preparation to bury their own little baby. So guys, if you're out there and you can help Caroline Akinyi. Caroline Akinyi, as we've told you, is a disabled, and you're going to see it in the video as how the family is and how the homestead is. So they really intended and wished that they could bury their baby on the 27th of this month. But then again, this baby needs to have postmortem done on the body, and also this case needs to be handled with care so that investigations can be done to know what really happened. And if this car can be traced, then all will be at least it will open up ways of starting to look into this case. So guys, if you're watching and you can help Caroline Akinyi or the family in any way we mean in your prayers, financial assistance, majorly financial assistance, and also in the legal process of getting justice for their little angel, and closure to the remaining twin and to the family at large. Yes, we're going to pin her numbers on the screen where you can actually send her whatever financial assistance that you can send her. And also you can send your prayers to her. But also if the police, if the authorities involved can actually look into this matter ASAP as soon as possible, so that this baby is not buried without a postmortem. This baby is not buried without a case or an ongoing investigation. We have seen so many cases that happen like this. We have highlighted here the case of Olilo, and which we're still looking for justice. And Olilo was also a very young man, 33 years old, as we can see. And we don't know what's really happening, because also the guys who are saying maybe the things like about the cult that are also involved in these stories. So there's so much happening, and we just the only way we can get the truth is if investigations can be done, and done well, and done to the latter. Yes, guys. So let's dive into the story and listen to Caroline Akinyi narrate the sad ordeal and sad day, and the saddest day that they really faced in their lives. Her husband, herself, and the other twin, and the family at large. Guys, as I've told you right now, familia imewatoka, familia imewatupa, kwa sababu walikataa kuletewa mtoto tu hivi hivi. Swali ni kwa nini hili jamii inataka huyu mtoto azikwe hivi hivi. Tunaomba tumsaidie Caroline Akinyi na familia yake. Na kama hauje subscribe guys, please just press the subscribe button as a way of supporting us to be able to bring you more stories and to be able to highlight what is actually happening in our society as at now. So let's listen to Caroline Akinyi narrate this. Caroline atakuwa anazungumza kwa lugha ya Kiswahili na atakuwa anazungumza na kwa lugha ya Kijaluo. And yes, that is why we are saying hashtag justice for baby Cedric Opio. Yes, hashtag justice for baby Cedric Opio, whose parents are really grieving and really in pain for this baby. So hashtag justice for baby Cedric Opio.
Kwa majina naitwa Caroline Akinyi kutoka sehemu ya Kijedo. Hii ajali ilikuwa on Friday saa ya watoto ya kutoka shule, na hii ajali ilipata watoto kaa wako nje kando ya barabara. Hiyo gari ilikuwa inatoka sehemu ya Kindu Bay. Hiyo gari ilikuja mpaka mahali ambao watoto walikuwa na ikagonga watoto. Baada ya kugonga watoto ikapita tu hapo simama. Baadaye walimu wakija wakachukua mtoto mpaka Osi, wakapeleka mtoto Osi Kindu Bay. After Kindu Bay wakarifaa Homa Bay. After that nilikuwa tu hapa nyumbani, alafu mwana mwingine akija akanieleza mtoto amepata ajali. Nikaenda Osi Homa Bay, nikapata kama mtoto wako ako Osi, lakini ako hali mbaya. Dakika chache tulikaa karibu saa 8 hivi. Nikasema nitoke nje kidogo, nikasubiri nje kidogo, nikakaa. Wakaniita tena niingie ndani. Nikiingia ndani nimepata kama wadaktari washatoka nje, niko tu peke yangu na walimu. Dakika chache wananiita tena kwa room nyingine. Tukaenda na walimu. Tulienda tu na walimu. Wakaeleza kwamba hii mtoto alipata ajali mbaya. Sasa kuna vile wanataka wafanye mtoto, yani watibiwa. Na walimu wakasema mnataka aje fanye? Wakasema nataka mtoto aende kwa ultrasound. After that mwalimu wakasema wako na pesa, wataweza kunini kwa pawa wako na pesa kufanya hiyo ultrasound. Mara hiyo ule daktari akaanza kusema haiwezekani, mtoto ako hali mbaya. By that time wakasema ashahaga dunia. Tukakaa pale, wakasema mumeshaenda kuangalia mtoto. Tumenyamaza tu, tumekaa tena, wameuliza tena, tumenyamaza. Mara 3 wakasema mtoke nje muende muangalia mtoto. Tumeenda, tumepata kama mtoto ashakufa. After that tumekaa pale kuanzia saa 8 mpaka saa 10. Mpaka mtoto akapelekwa kwa mchari saa 10:30 hivi. Tulienda pale tukakaa, wale wa mchari wakaandika vitu. Tumeacha mtoto pale mpaka saa hizi. Hatuna chochote. Hiyo Friday tulikuja, tulikaa. On Sunday tulisikia uvumi. Kuna semeji yangu, wako wawili na buka watatu, walikaa chini wakaongea juu mtoto. Eti on Monday wanaenda kuleta mtoto, wanapanga tu wenyewe tu, na sisi hatukujua. Tulisikia tu hiyo maneno, tulistuka tukiuliza, hiyo sio kusaidia mtu. Kama mmejua mnataka kusaidia mtu, ili mkae chini na sisi, mjue vile mjue hata msikie tu vile tunasema. Hawakusikia hivyo. Kuanzia hapo walikataa, kila kitu imesimama. Tuko tu hivi. Wamesema vile tumekataa vile walikuwa wanataka kunifanyia msaidizi, hawatanifanyia chochote. Kwa hivyo mpaka sasa tuko tu hivi na mtoto wako mchari. Hatuna chochote, na wameshapanga mtoto italetwa on tarehe 28, ishikwe tarehe 29. Tuko hivi, tumeshatembea mahali popote kutafuta msaidizi, tumekosa. Tunaamka asubuhi saa 10 hivi, naanza na mguu. Yaani tunaanza tu na mguu kutembea tu. Tukifika mahali tumechoka, unaomba tu mtu kama ako na pesa atusaidie. Kutoka saa hizi tunataka tu msaidizi tu mwenye ako na ataweza kutusaidia ili tulete mtoto hapa nyumbani. Hatuna kitu, hatuna chochote, tuko tu hivi. Nataka tu msaidizi.
Hebu eleza tu vile mambo yalifanyika, nyinyi mnashtuka tu ati mtoto analetwa vizuri. Hebu eleza hapo vizuri. Kula chini kidogo.
Juu mtoto alikufa on Friday, hakuna mkutano yote ilifanywa kuanzia on Friday mpaka Saturday. Ikifika Sunday tulikuwa tunatarajia kwenda kwa polisi. Hiyo siku tuliamka asubuhi, tulipanga vile tutaenda kwa polisi. Dakika chache kuna buka ingine na simeji yangu walikuja kabla hatujaenda. Kasema tukae chini, wako na neno. Tukakaa. Vile tukakaa, wanasema kuna neno. Alafu bwanangu akajibu, neno gani? Wakasema eti mtoto inaenda kuletwa leo hii. Alafu inaenda kuletwa na kuna mshika yeye. Alafu tunashika yeye leo hii. Tukashtuka. Tumeuliza, hapana, haiwezekani. Kama mnataka kusaidia sisi, mpange tu. Watu wakae chini, iwe kitu mzuri. Tulikataa. Juu mtoto alikuwa hiyo ajali ilikuwa amepata yeye kama ako shule, na walimu hakujua chochote, na sisi hatukujua chochote. Walipanga tu wenyewe eti mtoto inaenda kuletwa hiyo siku.
Mtoto wako ana miaka mingapi?
Mtoto wangu wa 3 na ako na miaka 8. Mwaka 8.
Niko na watoto wangapi?
Niko na watatu 4.
Wenye wamebaki ama
wenye wamebaki wako sasa, si mapacha ni kitu kimoja.
sema tu mapacha ngapi na
Mapacha moja aliaga, na wamebaki nini, watoto 3 na hiyo mapacha moja.
Sasa serikali inasaidie. Weka tu hiyo ombi vizuri. Unaomba nani akusaidie?
Naomba tu serikali anisaidie. Juu sina chochote. Tuko hivi. Tuko tu mkono brika hivi. Tumekoma na mtoto OC. Hata postmortem hatujafanya, sanduku pia hatuna. Tuko tu hivi. Naomba tu msaidizi. Naomba tu serikali anisaidie.
Balo. Wako gina balo kwa ati katika balo.
Sawa. Ni Caroline Akinyi. Aliedo. Kamaro ni amuono. Kogweno riang. Tisha beach, nyathino di school gokinyi. Kochopo saa 6, tayudo report ni nyathi onwang'o ajali e ndara. Mtoka ogweyo oko mar ndara. Bang'e nawuok mondo awuog adhi ane nyathi. Kapok achopo e school, to japuonj aromo gi japuonj kabiro mondo kawa. Japuonj nobiro mokawa mondo mi ajuk ambulance mane Akindu kane dhi kawo nyathi katero Homa Bay. Ka wachopo e gate mar school, wayudo ka ambulance osekalo. Kasta negiketa e mtoka maluwo nyathi nyaka Homa Bay. Kachopo Homa Bay, ayudo ka nyathi oseketne oxygen to osiptal osechakne thieth. Kachopo asenene, ayudo kosetimne gigo te, to konya ni awuog oko matin, to awuok oko abet matin. Bang' ka nasebet oko matin, kendo chako luonga ni mondo adonjie. Adonjo. Kana donjo, ta abedo kanyo, nyisa ni mondo aora, temo ora nyathi dhi bedo mangima. Nabet mondo aora, mondo Nyasaye okonya nyathi. Abet. Tamre achako awuok oko, koda ni awuog oko kendo. Koduoga ot, koda ni abed gi nyathi, adong' gi nyathi. To abet. To jopuonje be okonya bet ei kama nyathi nitiere no. Dakika matin, daktari maduong' obiro ei kama ne obedo ni ogola mondo wadhi e room wa, private room. Ka wadhi e private room kanyo, ochako ni nyathi noyudo ajali marach, onego bed ni watimone thieth malong'o. To kata ultrasound onego bed ni tere mondo wang'e ni tang'o marach. To japuonj openjo ni daktari, en ang'o mipani ber, thieth mane maber ma unya chako timone mondo wamiu pesa. Ka daktari nowinjo kamano, daktari chako loko wuoyo. Owacho ni nyathi ngimane oserumo. To japuonj openjo ni dhako miwa duoko makare maduoko geno. To daktari duoko kendo ni onge duoko makare ma wanya chiwo, nyathi ngimane oserumo. Koro wabet e room no. Ochako penjo ni be nusedhi uneno nyathi, to onge ng'ama oduoke. Kendo chako penjo ni be usedhi. onge ng'ama noduoko. Mar adek, to ne nitie jakom mar skul manobiro neno nyathi gi sechego. To jopuonjo penjo ni jakom seneno nyathi, to duoko ni e. Chak wabet, chak daktari chako penjo. Adwa ni mondo udhi ne nyathi, kaka wachono, udhi ne nyathi gi sani. Nok waweyo dhi, ne wachung'. Sachego nachung' to nokan dhano. Nawinjo ka onge muya manyalo chung'go malo mondo adhi ane nyathi. Jopuonjo nomaka katera kuma nyathi nitie. Kapok wachopo kuma nyathi ne nitie, tayudo ka ji ng'eny oko. Tawacho ni nyathi nacha osetho. Kaka nayudo ka ji ng'eny oko no, kadonjo iye, tayudo ka dakteche opong'o iye kucho. Inyisa ni pole. Takono gini gima adwa ni utimna en achiel. Magauru mondo utera kuma nyathi cha nitie adhi amule. Samoro pod oyueyo, ne gimaka ma giketa kanyo, ma adhi amulo nyathi, tayudo ka nyathi nosetho. Achako akono gi niya, adwa ni gimoro achiel emutimna kendo. Adwa ni ka osetho kamano to wenago dakika moko mondo atem nene matin. Ne giwinjo mondo giwenago dakika moko. Bang' dakika matin, dakika moko nobet seche mang'eny, gimoro sa 10:30 noduogo kawe. Kosekawe to ong'isa ni Caroline, nyathi koro idhi go muchari, nyaka idhi. Nadhi e muchari gi nyathi. Bang' kasedhi gi nyathi e muchari, to okona ni nyingi ng'a, nachiwo nyinga ni Caroline Akinyi. To penja ni wuon nyathi ere, awacho ni wuon nyathi nodong' dala, to en e yo biro. Notim gimoro ma gisechego pesa moro amora ne onge. Mano ne gikwaya pesa ni kidwaro 1,000 mondo ochak thiedhgo nyathi gi sano. Naonge pesa moro amora nikech en gima notimore kopoya. Gi sechego jopuonj nogocho ne jakom mar skul, noyudo kosea. Ma nooro nwa siling 1,000 manochak thieth nego nyathi. Nowe nyathi kanyo. Bang'e no, konosekan nyathi e muchari, nowaduogo dala. Kawasaduogo dala on Friday no, gimoro sa 1 madhi romo sa 2, ne wabet, kiny Saturday wabet. Sunday, ka piny oru. Saturday, kajucha moko nitie manobiro 2. Ka gibiro mano ngi gimoro amora ma ginyisowa, oneno ka gibet ji 5 e kundi. Koro mo Sunday, to ne gin gidhi e muchari. Ne gidhi e muchari, kaka ne giwachono. Ka giduogo gimoro sa 11:30 kamae, to wuon nyathi openjogi ni uwuotho nang'o nyithindwa. Ne giduoko ni ang' nwapimni kaka wawuotho. Kano gik nokwaneno gin wanindo kamano maonge gimoro amora man wanindogo kwang'eyo. Kochopo Monday, jopuonj ogochonwa ni mondo wadhi skul, wadhi waripot ka polis. Ne wawuok, kapok wawuok ne wadhi, pod wan ot, wadachiego dhoot, to kwarwa moro biro gi yuora moro. To kano gibiro kamano gisa ni gin giwacho, wabedane matin. Ne waduogo mwabet matin kaka ne giwachono. Wach mane gin go, ne ginyisowa ni gimbe giwinjo wach. Ni nyathi kelo Monday no, kendo iko Monday no. Ka nawinjo ka lit odonjona. Nawacho ni gite utimona kama nang'. To nyathina ni ne en nyathi mane wahero. To dang' wiki mana ka guok, kata be ni uchiwo kony. Dong' upenjo wawinjo ni to wawacho ang'o, kaka uneno ni uchako timo nwang'o. Kalit nodonjonwa kamano, ne wachako wuoth mowadhi, koro wadhi report kaka jopuonje ka ne dwa ni wadhi report ka polis cha. Kane wachopo sare, pok wakawo mtoka, wayudo ka yuech ariyo ka, gin e gika mondo ka polis, mondo gidhi ging'e ni to postmortem cha itime nang'o mondo gigol nyathi. Ka gichopo ka polis, noriembgi, mokon gidwaro wuon nyathi, gi min nyathi, gi jopuonj. Koriembgi gin gidhi nyaka skul, ok gibiro kata irwa. Ka gidhi skul, to piyo gipiyo tibiro yuda wa stage ka pod wachung'. To penja ni Caroline ang'o ni ywakni, takoni madam. Wach moro winjo ka to ok donjna. To penja ni en ang'o. Takone ni madam, nyathini ne nyathi mane wahero. To duolo johigni 8. To wawinjo mana ni gikawuono gi seche gidwa dhi golnwa nyathi tikelonwa tiikonwa. To nakone madam ni madam, an nyathina ok dang' ng'i ka guok, bed ni aonge go, nyathina dang' ok kik ka guok. To piyo to yuora nodonjo, gidonjo ka juoch ariyogo gibiro. To ka gibiro, to gibe gipimo maber. Ka gik moko ka gisechako wuoth, gisewuotho ma gigik, ma gin odiochieng' mar Monday no, ne gidhi kelo nyathi to gi ka kane gini gimoro timo nani kik utim na to koponi utimo ne malit kamae to kadagi adhi neno nyathi adhi ka polisi adhi report ka polis to adhi neno nyathi e muchari kaduogo to kapar kadhi bedo chiwe kamane kaka ang' naweu kamano nabedo gi lit kamano gin gi wuoya tawinjo ka lit medore ka jopuonje kapok nodhi ka polis report na kawo apiko mafotogi nayudo gi e yo mawadhi ka polis kachopo to polis openjo ni mae min nyathi kaduoko ni an e min nyathi tere wuon nyathi tawacho ni wuon nyathi biro koro ne gibiro kamano gowetene obiro kamano gowetenego ka gichopo to polisi okonowa ni wadhi idwarowa mbele wadhi wandik gik moko nitie monego wandiki wadhi e seche mane wadhini wan ok wang'e ni sechego ni dhi tim postmortem mago gik mane pod waongego gi mpango nikech ne wakia kowachopo to yuoro achiel kuom jok mane opango mpango ni iko nyathi mandeyno obiro kuma wantiere to ng'isojego ni wadwa ni mondo wadhi watim postmortem kawuono to polis nodwoke niya ok nyalre nikech ma en gima upowago ne waonge mpangono to kata kiny pod ok nyalre un koro dhiuru dogi udhi bed piny mondo upangi kusepango namba e ugochi mondo wamiu ng'ato achiel udhigo seche gite mane gigi te timre yuora ma ot matin mane opango gigi te en koro osewuok owewa ka odhi kadiyo odhi onyiewo polis momiyo nyaka pesa kowacho ni en gigo te dhi timo odiochieng'no kwa kucho eti polis kucho kwa ridore en duogo ni en pesa nitie osechiwo kata nyise ni an dhok achiel manyise ni an to gimidhi timona ni to kibi timona adagi ye naonge go to nyathina tok dani ikete guok na adagi ma awinjo ka miriambo ohinga ma wuok awegi kapod wach achiel ne niwacho naridore stage ma kawo mtoka chopo ka kawo mtoka to wuon nyathi bende lit ne nigo olawa mojuka stage kapok ayudo ma wamakore kode ma wadhi Homabay ka wagiko Homabay neno nyathi e muchari to inyisowa ni usabiro omo nyathi ne wadwoko ni wan to kendo omo nyathino ne wakia wang'isogi ni wachni to kendo opowa wan be to wachno onge anyuola mane osebet piny moketo kom piny mawach ni dhi om nyathi kawuono wachno wan wakia ne waore nakone ni waore gini lit nikech ka ok waore to ok wanyal donjo kata e muchari mwane nyathi kapok nwaore wachako wadok irgi kendo ne ginyisowa niya wan onyisowa ni min nyathi en puth to wuon nyathi en yuori achiel ni ng'at miluongo ni Kevin owacho ni en e wuon nyathi to chiege min nyathi to ne en puth nanyisogi ni nyathi notho e lweta an mana nikech nyathi osuptal to kan puth nonyuola maber to ng'olni oyuda ewi dongo nanyisogi ni ng'ato ang'ata kochako duogo kae kik uyie ni mondo kaw nyathina an e min nyathi to mae wuon nyathi ne wanyisogi ni ere kaka dang' wane nyathi unyalo donjo to osegole kumikete ji ogole frij okete frij kumikawe ji ne wakonogi ni kata osegole to miwauru gloves mondo wadhi wane nyathi ne gimiyowa asto gitelo mbele to waluwogi wadhi ane kumokete nyathi ne wadhi wayudo ka nyathi osegol oko ne wakonogi ni yawa gini dwa timnwa mar wich kuot midwa timnwa to nikech nyalo to waonge gadieri to kata be ne waonge nyalo to kony nitie sama ng'ato dwa konyi nyaka penji obed kodi piny monyise ni kama ne wawinjo ka lit bang'e nopenjowa ni ung'e ng'ama iluongo ni Alex naduokogi ni an Alex no tang'eye to sama openjowa ni to nyiero to gimomiyo ne openjo wach Alex ne wakia nikech ok onyisowa gimoro amora onyiero kamano gimoro amora mopenjowa onge kane waduogo wayudo ka anyuola nie bura sechego nopenjowa ni wawuotho nang'o ne watemo pimo kaka ne wawuotho to wach achiel mane nyisowa ne watimo makosa kuom kwero wach mani okelnwa nyathi kendo nokonowa ni koro onge kony midhi miwa kata achiel nikech ne wadagi kony mane imiyowa e sama ne gidwa miyowa e kony ne wawinjo ka lit nawacho ni an gima adong' gi Nyasaye kende nikech koro gini tek ayie ni wathagore to wadong' gi mana Nyasaye.
Koro en nini mana ni nyalo kwayo gima nyalo kwayo
an kony manyalo kwayo anyalo kwayo kony kuyie jatelo konya sirikal konya kata ng'ato man gi kony manyalo konya go konya alewo gi nyathi e muchari idwaro timne postmortem pok otim. Sanduku waonge gimoro amora. Anyuola oringowa. An kod manya kwayo ni mondo konya gi ng'ata moyie kata sirikal okonya. Aleo gi nyathi Muchari. Aleo kode makata ka adhi aneno onge. Mane kony manyalo kwayo ni mondo konya aleo gi gimoro amora. Anja higa 33.
Duogo bed
kamera nikata macho.
Hapo Jojo Gembochie. Hausa? Hapo Jojo Gembochie. Natoka village Kogonoya. Mimi mwenye mtoto. Wangu umefika kwa baba Anjia. Kama anatoka shule karibu na chika hapo. Kama baada hajafuka kwa baba gari ya Karonga kama yeye akufa kwa Muchari. Sasa kwa nataka usaidizi, sina anything, sina hata sanduku ya kuzika naye huyo mtu. Mtoto wangu kwa nataka kuleta hiyo karibu saa 28 na zika 29. Kwa nataka tu usaidizi. Kwa kujidolu.
Hello. Sebelum kita ganyola kata.
Ya, ada contoh dah kau ada. Ini kan Jojo Gembochie. Aja ko gweno ya. Moda kamu kon. Nyatena ne anmanya tena udah accident. Acu ka school sabe. Accident no yoda ko chupodo chunga batnda kapoko kal. Ko kamar ka kanato. To an bas bang. Nodo go chine menot. Nodo nyithi school biro kelo mawach. Ni accident otimore. Mane pok nyithi school go biro. An adenda no sabuok. Tok ndala achiel ka gino pok otimore. Kane nyithindo go biro gi ng'wech to naduo sana. Gino nobuogo chunya. Nobuogo chunya sana kane gichopo e dhoot. Negibiro gi ng'wech tabuok. Abuok kanyo ma chunya ume. Nang'e nyathino osegine ni. Kata ni wacho nolaw kod osiptal. Nang'e ni gima ne onge nikech gari. Kona kama ni mse. Kona kombo kony. Ma dipo ka ng'ato dipo ka de konya. Yo sanduku. Aonge gi sanduku. Yo Muchari. Nyathina notere Muchari. Min gi nobedo kode ma kaka notimore no. Winjo gima min gi wacho. Ka min gi to nobedo kode. Nokalo kamano kona dwa kony. Ng'anya konya. Yo moro amora. Maliel. Ung'e kaka liel pek. Koponi sama anyuola. Samo group moro. Neno ni odhi konya. To ka poni adagi. Gima rach. Matimore dalano. To gineno samo na rach. Nekech owetega odhore gi jok moko. Sani ko ging'anyo. Kata buo gi biye. Ato kane an gi mo matin. Ayie lweta to nitie nono. Kane an gi mo matin. To nachiwo kata mani liete. Ang'o me ok gitimona kama? Ok bena. An adwa kony ng'anya konya. Mondo konya. Gari ni bene winjo ndach. Gari nodhi adhia kamano. Asetemo kata manono wuotho penjo. Pok ayudo ka gari nodhi adhia kamano. Nokoyudo nyaka sani.
Nyaka ne ajali timore. Kapok na ajali otimore, nudak kod ginang'o, relationship maru ne chal nade, ne udak kaka ma udak dala maber, koso ne nitie pogruok moro e kind.
Kaneno, ok ane nitie ber moro maneno ka owadwa no nyakonyago. Ok ane, nikech ka min ot tuo, an mayuagi min ot, an magine kode, nyathina ka samo kata koriembi, ang'ise no min aonge gima kama konya, ta an ok ayud konyruok.
Sadagi jaodi maromo.
Sadok kod higni 10 gi wiye.
Agadi kanyo. Usadak higni adi?
Nwakawe 2012.
2012.